Slider Windows Pasadena, TX, offers a seamless blend of functionality and style for any home. Our professional window installers in Pasadena, Texas, ensure that each installation is executed with precision and care, providing you with the best in modern window styles. Whether you're looking for vinyl slider windows or sliding glass windows, our team is equipped to handle all your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Pasadena are essential for reducing energy costs and enhancing home comfort. Our custom window solutions in Pasadena, Texas, are designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner, ensuring maximum efficiency and performance. With our window energy audits in Pasadena, Texas, you can identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Custom window solutions in Pasadena, Texas, provide homeowners with the flexibility to choose designs that match their aesthetic preferences and functional requirements. Our window design consultation in Pasadena helps you explore various options, from insulated window systems to noise-reducing windows, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Window replacement services in Pasadena are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our window glass replacement in Pasadena, TX, offers a wide range of options, including double-pane windows and high-performance windows, to enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Residential window upgrades in Pasadena, TX, are an excellent way to improve your home's value and comfort. Our window repair experts in Pasadena are skilled in window frame repair and window sealing services, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Double-pane windows in Pasadena, Texas, are a popular choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Our durable window materials in Pasadena, TX, provide long-lasting performance, while our window hardware upgrades in Pasadena enhance functionality and security. Window repair experts in Pasadena are dedicated to providing top-notch window maintenance services in Pasadena, Texas. From window weatherproofing in Pasadena, TX, to window frame repair, our team ensures that your windows are always in optimal condition. Slider Windows Pasadena, TX, offer a sleek and modern look for any home. Our affordable window options in Pasadena provide a variety of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring that you find the perfect match for your home and budget. Affordable window options in Pasadena cater to homeowners looking for cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Our vinyl slider windows in Pasadena, TX, are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Window maintenance services in Pasadena, Texas, are essential for prolonging the life of your windows and maintaining their performance. Our window sealing services in Pasadena, Texas, help prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Vinyl slider windows in Pasadena, TX, are known for their ease of use and energy efficiency. Our custom-fit window solutions in Pasadena ensure that each window is tailored to your home's specific dimensions and requirements. Window design consultation in Pasadena provides homeowners with expert guidance on selecting the best window styles and materials for their homes. Our insulated window systems in Pasadena, Texas, offer superior thermal performance, keeping your home comfortable in all seasons. Insulated window systems in Pasadena, Texas, are designed to minimize heat transfer and reduce energy consumption. Our high-performance windows in Pasadena, Texas, are crafted from durable window materials in Pasadena, TX, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Professional window installers in Pasadena, TX, are committed to delivering exceptional service and quality workmanship. Our window frame repair in Pasadena addresses any structural issues, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and efficiently. High-performance windows in Pasadena, Texas, are engineered to provide superior energy efficiency and noise reduction. Our window glass replacement in Pasadena, TX, offers a variety of options to enhance your home's comfort and aesthetics. Window glass replacement in Pasadena, TX, is a vital service for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Our modern window styles in Pasadena offer a range of designs to suit any architectural style and personal preference. Modern window styles in Pasadena provide homeowners with a variety of options to enhance their home's appearance and functionality. Our window sealing services in Pasadena, Texas, ensure that your windows are properly sealed to prevent air and water infiltration. Slider Windows Pasadena, Texas, are crucial for maintaining the energy efficiency and comfort of your home. Our durable window materials in Pasadena, TX, provide long-lasting protection against the elements. Durable window materials in Pasadena, TX, are essential for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window hardware upgrades in Pasadena enhance the functionality and security of your windows, providing peace of mind for homeowners. Window hardware upgrades in Pasadena offer improved functionality and security for your windows. Our noise-reducing windows in Pasadena, Texas, are designed to minimize external noise, creating a peaceful and quiet indoor environment. Noise-reducing windows in Pasadena, Texas, are ideal for homeowners seeking a quieter and more comfortable living space. Our window weatherproofing in Pasadena, TX, protects your home from the elements, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition.